Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen I fought for my fourth fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today, 21st, I think it was, or it is, of July 2023. I'm up here in what it's called Mangry Mountain, about 10 minutes north of the Auckland airport. Spectacular scene as we're looking down towards Onehunga Harbour or Manukau Harbour and towards the oh, towards that way. Anyway, that's Auckland City. And I'm up here enjoying a bit of quality time with the wife. Here's the wife deleting some stuff off her phone. And I guess today we're going to talk a bit about our heads. What are we thinking about? What are we taking the time to stop and think about more often? Is it, stuff that you are really, important to you? Or are you following the rest of the crowd? Are you a sheep following the rest? Nothing wrong with being a sheep. We eat sheeps. Anyway, the point is, we all got a head. We've got to start using it. We've got to start thinking about it. Use our head to think. And the more we think, we come up with these wonderful ideas because it comes from somewhere. Medical science are still trying to understand what the mind is or what our brain is. It does a lot of things, of course. It looks after our body in many ways or in the other. But the most important one, I think, is our mind. How can we feed our mind to be able to produce the wonderful things we can in our lifetime? It's pretty simple. Spend a lot more time thinking or praying, meditating. Those are normal and common things of life that, some people don't want to use. And when we're talking to ourselves, praying, for example, we're literally just filling our head with ideas also. And of course, some of us who believe in a God, we're praying for something higher than ourselves. It's your choice whether you believe in God or not. It doesn't matter. Life exists and you and I will die one day. You can't stop that, nor can I. Now, for people to sort of say there's no God, that's your choice. But life is too beautiful to say it just happened like that. What they call it, Big Bang Theory. Stupid ideas. This life is created by some intelligent being called God out there. Some of us might call him alien. They're very powerful beings if they are aliens, because they have visited us for many times. A lot of people testify for that fact, suggesting there's more to life than what you and I can never achieve in our lifetime. And life, of course, is changing day to day. Every day it is changing. What are you and I coping with those changes? We are also in the age of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and artificial intelligence, AI. That's the area that I really want to talk about. Artificial intelligence. It's already with us, whether we like it or not. Artificial intelligence will take this video of mine and share it virally with everybody around the world without much of my doing except make the video and upload it onto YouTube. And that's probably where you're going to watch it, or watch it probably from Facebook. Those are modern tools we are using today to capture the world, capture the imaginations of human beings. And if you're not using it, you could be missing out. And you'll probably notice my introduction is Stephen I fought for my fortune, creating fortunes for the future. That's correct. It's called a focus. I'm focused on that sort of fact, creating fortunes from the future or for the future, whatever you wish. And most of it is to do with my own ideas. An idea that I carried in my wallet when I wrote it, I think in 2007, and already professing that sort of reality, and I will tell you that in a moment. And in 2012, I wrote a dummy check. And the idea came from an actor, Jim Carrey. And he carried a $10 million, I think, dummy wallet in his wallet. I mean, dummy check. Sorry, not wallet.
Sorry.
Good morning.
It's a little bit better than That's okay. Not my way at all.
And of course, that simple idea, I literally just copied because somebody did it and he achieved his goal. Jim Carrey carried a dummy $10 million in his wallet before he became famous. He was sort of preparing his future, saying, I'm going to be earning $10 million in the future. And when I read that, and I said, I'll do that. I'll do the same. But instead of mine just $10 million, Mr. Ford went to $1 billion. Why? Why not? Who can say I can't? It was an idea that was written 2012. I carried it in my wallet all that time until I came back from Australia, 2012. 2022, August. And I pulled out my wallet and realized, oh my God, I got my income already in my wallet. Today, I testify for that fact. Idea, put into some sort of action, creates a reality. God and the universe brought me what I want. Exactly what I want, and actually a bit more. And for you and I not to listen to our heads and our ideas, you're missing out. I don't listen to a lot of people. Of course, I hear what they say, but most of the stuff that I hear people say are quite negative. So in my video today, I'm saying to you, what stops you achieving your own goal, personal goals? I didn't get my goal overnight. It took time before it got to me. As long as I believed on it, I will get it. The same with you. Whatever your goal is, mine is a huge financial goal. That's mine. Whatever your goal is, take the time to write it. The key is by you writing it on a piece of paper, like Jim Carrey and myself, and carry those goals in your wallet if you wish, because we need to see it every day. You might think, why do we need to see it every day? Simple. What we see every day draws us to it. Most people keep theirs in their head. Some people keep it in their heart. I suggest don't keep it in your heart. That's one way to have an early heart attack. So take it out of your heart. Write it down on a piece of paper. It's better on a piece of paper. Your piece of paper don't care. It won't have a heart attack. But it's your piece of paper. Whether it be a piece of paper, vision board, or diary, take the time. Write down your goal. I'm letting you know how I created my fortunes from the future, simply by writing about it, talk about it, and doing something about it. You know, the 3 pointers. Think about it, write about it, and do something about it. And mine, thank God, I was introduced to what is called cryptocurrency and short-term trading. That's mine. It may not work for you, but it worked for me. So today, Stephen R. Ford from My Ford Fortune, asking the wife, honey,
Yes, darling.
what do you think? What do you want to say? You've heard some of my comment. Come on, you're laughing.
I just want to say that everything, that we can create in our minds can become a reality.
Of course.
Because we created it.
Correct.
No one else can stop you from creating anything that you want in life.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
the only person that can stop you is yourself.
Awesome.
So,
Preach it. Preach it.
yep. So that's all I have to share with you. It's what you create in here that's important. Whatever you have, your ideas, bring it out, manifest it, and make it a reality. Because one day we won't be around.
Exactly.
This life we have right now
It'll be over soon,
will be
sometimes.
over sooner than we think.
Mhm.
So
Make the most
make
of
the
it.
most of it. Just really create whatever, or use whatever the idea you have in your mind.
And write them
and just
down.
Write it down and just go for it and believe in it.
Thank you, hon.
And,
Appreciate it.
thank you, darling.
We're also having what is called a Sally Lunn from the Chinese shop down the road.
Hong Kong Bakery.
And you know, that Sally Lunn, it's called I said to my wife, "Hun, we're going to go up the mountain and do some celebrations." And yes, I ate half of my lunch celebrating. And today we're celebrating with you. Ideas. Go for it. We love you. God loves you. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.